Good morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Thursday. We're at the 4th of June, 2020, about 9:15 in the morning. You know, whenever we get this closer, I keep remembering back in history, D-Day, so remember that's coming up. In any case, the stock market was down early. It's made a full recovery of that, back to the upside. They tried to drop the gold under the 1700 level. It doesn't like that. It's popped back. Silver's the laggard here as the copper markets come back also. Dollar index still lower. The market likes what Miss Lagarde said, and basically they're going to continue with their bond buying program, commercial paper, I guess, and they'll be doing other things. It's helping Italy, no question about that. Then we saw that in Europe, Ms. Merkel was able to get the two political factions together, and they're putting a 130 billion euro program to work there. So they've gone from austerity to 30% bigger than the market thought. They were looking for a 100 billion euro program. Now it's 130. They've gone to big spending, which is just what they need. As we look at the energy market, there's still a fallout trying to get Iraq and Nigeria into the fold. Maybe Nigeria is closer to being in it. Iraq is still the holdout here. And we're looking today at a jump in the grains. Now, while people aren't saying it, here's my idea. You know, yesterday we got into another tussle, if you would, with China over air travel. And we were they had barred U.S. planes coming in, and we said, okay, want to do that game? Watch what we do. We went to that. The fact that both sides have backed off now and they're allowing the flights to resume this week, well, maybe that's a sign that things are simmering down for world trade. All right. What about jobless claims? Well, they came in at 1.877 million in May. This, certainly makes that 19.5%, 20% unemployment number for tomorrow look like it's going to come through. Then we got if you take a look at how they all came out here, you're still rising in the weekly jobless to 649. Challenger, half of the cuts of last time. Remember, last time they went up 170%, which was unbelievable. This time it's half that amount, but these are still planned job cuts, big amounts. The federal deficit, our trade deficit, wow, it's just monstrous in size. And all you can say is that, no world trade at that point. You're probably looking at the worst case scenarios in here is now trade around the world will start picking up again. But that's what you have to deal with. The question is the stock market going to be able to hold these rallies now as the market is approaching key Bollinger Band resistance on the charts? You might want to take a look at that. And one of the things that I help you do with that is in the afternoons, if you're a SPDR or ETF trader, I put out an afternoon subscriber video. And I cover all the different major sectors. I keep adding to the different ETFs. We've got quite a few now. We're into the 30 some odd charts that we're doing at that point. And the idea is to give you some confidence about the trade, what the market's looking like. Followers of my futures reports, well, they know what I do there, but now you're getting a chance to see what I do on the SPDRs and ETFs, because at the end of the day, a chart is a chart. I said 37 charts when I made this. Now we're into the 30s. So that has picked up. We're probably about 32, 33. I'm going to do a count today so that I can figure out just where I'm at. But I just keep adding them as people ask, and as long as they have good volume and they make sense and they're widely followed. But in any case, the idea is to give you a thought process to look like this. I cover all these different sectors. I said I've now got 3 or 4 different interest rate ones. We've added UNG. We've added more metals. We've added a lot of the miners in here. So be it Canadian mining stocks or the other part, we're covering those indices. How do you get this? Well, go to our website at www.iraepstein.com. Go to the word research. It's all explained right there. You can click here if you want to be taken there as well. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great trading day. I'll see you all this afternoon with our market wrap-ups. Take care now.